Should I get a divorce during COVID? Hello everybody, my name is Daniel WIAFE and I am the head divorce coach, preparer, president, and director of marketing of Vegas Divorce Pros out here in sunny and beautiful Las Vegas, Nevada. We're not attorneys and we can't give you legal advice, and we are registered by the state to give you document preparation services and get your documents filed for you, okay? But that being said, you guys, go ahead, like this video, share it with somebody that needs the information on it, and let's get down to answering your question. Can you get a divorce during COVID? All right. The answer is yes, 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 and yes, you can. All right. Now, the thing is, obviously, you guys, COVID is something which is very, very, there's really no set of rules on how do you deal with a divorce during a pandemic, okay? And what the courts are saying now, you guys, is they've been seeing, number one, an influx of people that want to get a divorce. Why? Because when COVID happened, quarantines happened obviously all across our nation, and as I record this video is being recorded in December of 2019. I'm sorry, December of 2020, okay? And so the whole nation went through its quarantine, and California has actually started a 3-week quarantine. So we don't know what's going to happen when presidency switches over in January to President-elect Biden, okay? But studies have shown that when the quarantine happened, it either caused couples to seek a divorce because they were close by each other, right? And if you had a bad relationship, it made your relationship worse. If you had a good relationship, though, it made your relationship that much more tighter and better, okay? Crazy inverse effect, all right? Now, the thing is, you guys, you have to consider if you are going to seek a divorce, number one, if there's any type of physical abuse, domestic violence, or any type of harm that could take place, you, possibly the kids, then yeah, get out of the house, okay, and get out, start the divorce, okay? And if there's anything that's going on where, let's say, your finances or the safety of your kids is in question, then you need to do what you need to do, okay? In regards to the courts are still open all across the country. What most courts have done that have been closed to actual residents coming in to file their divorce is most courts have instituted an electronic filing, okay? And electronic filing service, meaning that you want to scan your documents and get it e-filed to the system, all right? So we do divorces in all 50 states, minus Oklahoma. Our main headquarters is located out here in Las Vegas, and so we actually do prepare and file divorces out here in Las Vegas, and we use what's called an Odyssey system to e-file all of our documents, because our courthouses down here in Las Vegas have been closed down since March. And so as you can see, March to December, that's 9 months that the courts have been closed down, okay? But they have been accepting electronic service of the documents, and it's the same with most of the other counties in all the other states, okay? So yes, you can get a divorce during COVID. Just make sure that you count up the cost, make sure that it's a good time. You may want to stick it out during COVID, because obviously you're going to need to potentially find a new residence, a new home. It's a bit difficult and tricky if you're displaced from your marital home where you and your kids have lived at, okay? So you have to take that into consideration. Maybe it's something that you think about before you actually make that plunge into getting a divorce, okay? That being said, you guys, if you're needing advice or a free consultation, we do 15-minute free consultations by the phone. Go to our website that is right below my finger. If you're in Las Vegas, go to the link that's right there to Vegas Divorce Pros. If you are in some other state and you're wanting us to prepare your divorce, and we can do that as well. Go to getdivorced.co. So peace and God bless you guys, and I'll see y'all later.